Hello guys, Marshmallow here. Hey, what's up guys, Marshmallow here. I don't know what I just said, but today I am back with another video for you guys. Yet another Universe Sandbox video, and it's kind of loud on my headphones. So I fixed the audio. I hope it's synchronized, because last episode the editing was like, what, 5 minutes or something? And now I even got webcam. So I'm trying to improve my editing. All yesterday night, I was just, after I was rendering the video, like while I was rendering and uploading and doing everything else, I was watching how to use Adobe Premiere Pro, all that stuff. It's pretty cool. I actually prefer it over Sony Vegas, which is what I used to use. And I just noticed this about 7 minutes before I was recording. Like, some planets, say Mercury here, at some point they're closer to the sun, and then at sometimes they're far away from it. I don't see it in Earth. I don't see it just a little bit in Venus, but Mars especially, it's really close right here and far away right here. And I noticed that, and I was like, wow, okay. So probably some gravitational pull nonsense. And I also saw that some of the planets were rotated at like an angle, kind of, while Earth is kind of almost straight. Well, in this episode, oh man, I knocked my mic. I want to terraform some planets, and this is what I want to do. So, and I also want to make maybe a planet, like an impossible, like just a planet to terraform. So down here where it says view, you can put zone, and basically the hot means it's too red, the green means it's habitable, and the blue means it's too cold. Outside of the blue is still too cold, like way too cold. And Earth is like almost near the too hot, and Mars is almost near the too cold. So, but that still means they're both habitable. And actually, scientists did find water on Mars, so that could be a strong sense of life. But I honestly don't think there's any life on Mars. I think it's just a big desert, a ball of just sand. Well, oh man, it's like freaking out over here. Well, because the sun's rays, it doesn't have that good of a magnetic field, so you could get like cancer in 3 seconds there. So yeah, so I want to start with terraforming, which terraforming is like turning an inhabitable planet into a habitable planet where humans can live. Now look how slow that rotation is. Let's slow down time, and now it's hours a second. Now it's going really slow. Now, let's affect some stuff. Now, this weighs 4.49 moons. Okay. 4 billion years. Surface temperature is 167 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure how that even works, but okay, I'll just go with it. Now, the albedo, we need to turn up, because basically if you don't have a good albedo, your effective temperature it holds in the air. But no, that's like the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is 0 right here. We can make it 15.5, which is Earth, but I usually just put 15.0. 15.5 is good, and it went down drastically, like hugely. Now we just need to make the temperature like Earth, 15 degrees. But it's a little bit colder than Earth. Now, the radioactive power is going up, so I'm not sure how that affects anything. That is a big number. Let's go to Earth, and let's see its radioactive. The radiation level or something. Where is the radiation level? There's no radiation level? Oh, so that must mean it's not that much. Velocity, rotation speed, other elements, blah 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 blah. Oh no, okay, let's just go back to Mercury. Mercury, you are such a beautiful planet. I don't know. Well, materials, we need to add water on this planet right here. Use a lot of water, okay. A lot of water. Okay, now it's just a water planet. Let's bring that up to... No, I just broke it again. Let's just bring this buddy up. Okay, now let's bring this buddy down. Okay. Look at all that crumply land. What's the other side look like? I don't know. You can't see it. I still didn't fix the quality glitch. Not glitch, but I mean... Like, I can make it way faster. Colors. Oh. You can see every... Okay. Now, this is the mass of everything. What's this? I actually don't know what that is. Velocity. So, does that mean, like, the levels of the planets? Okay, realistic. Let's go back. Okay. We need to add some organics. I don't know if you could even... add organics to a planet. Like, it can erode to sand, and some plants can grow into sand, so that would just mean everything is a desert, I think. I'm not sure. I don't even... Oh, every planet needs some hydrogen. I'm not sure. Turn the iron level down a little bit. Kind of like Earth, or an Earth-like planet. So that's what we're trying to do. Mass, radius, surface temperature, magnetosphere. Has a weak magnetosphere. Let's try 99. Kinda big, but okay. So I guess this is what the sky would look like, kind of. I don't do a lot of, okay, magnetic field. What's Telsa? I don't even know. Set it really high, because the better magnet. I saw something on, I'm not sure what it was. It's like you could check how habitable the planet is. And Earth is like 99% inhabitable, 99.9. Everything 0 velocity. Materials, no. It wouldn't be under there. It would probably be in basic, but I'm not 100% sure. Anything grow? No, it takes a long time for stuff to grow. Let's see, does anything happen over time? Months? At least a tree would grow in like a year or something. I'm not sure. It had to have eroded it into something. Oh, surface temperature's going up again. Albedo all the way up. Greenhouse effect 55, 15.5. I'm not sure. Effective temperature. I actually don't know what that is. So I'm just... Okay. Oh, there's no radiation power now because we made such a big... Okay, so that means there's a really, really, really low chance of cancer here. Okay, motion, distance from star. Well, that thing's going up, which means the surface temperature should be going up, but we put the albedo on. Distance to you. I'm not sure. This should be inhabitable. I mean, if you just brought your own food or somehow found a way to put like plants and like if you just brought a whole chunk of dirt, you could live on this planet. But you could live on one of these small things, but I'm 100% sure. I would add a little less water. There. So Mercury is now inhabitable. And what just happened to the solar system? Did something happened while I was gone? There's Earth, Venus. I actually want to know what happened. What happened? Okay, Earth, Venus. Venus just went. It was done. It was just done. Sorry if this eyes crossed. I don't got my glasses. So, Venus, you are blistering hot. I have to say. And that goes down quickly. And now, if you weren't hot, then you would just be a big green ball. But, under there, I turn your atmosphere off. And you are big ball of death. I don't know. Show atmosphere, show clouds, no clouds. Clouds are even on, because there's no water in it. Atmosphere is kind of thick. So if we put wow, what the heck? If we put water on it, wouldn't it like cool down some of like the melting rock, like the death rock or something? I think it would. Now I think this is kind of inhabitable, except not 100%. We need a magnetic field on this buddy right here, so there's a 0% chance of cancer up in this crib. Surface gravity, I don't even know what that is for normal. Oh, it's getting colder as it goes. Okay. It's getting colder, so it could turn into, it's probably going through an ice age or something. Density, it's 66 moons. Let's make that buddy 1 Earth. Just to give him, okay. Now what's happening? Things just changed, okay. One, exactly. But that would, okay. Well, I think plants should start growing on it soon. Now we just need to terraform the next planet. Oh, what? Oh, I think I messed something up. Now it's at the same orbit as Earth, which is a little bit lower than Earth, actually. So that would be so cool. Like once a year or something, you could look into the sky and just see Venus just chilling there, like a homie. And then like part of it could be 2 times farther away than the sun. Crap, just knocked it again. But that would be so wicked. Okay, I see you. Let's add some organics on this. But what was, okay, we just need to add a little bit of hydrogen, and it's working. The hydrogen's actually staying. The radiation power, okay, good. Atmospheric mass. Pump that buddy down to 90. What? Okay, a little less surface pressure, I think. Greenhouse effect, nah, we don't need that. Okay, atmosphere. 1 kilogram, 1 gram of atmosphere, 1 milligram of atmosphere, 1 Milky Way of atmosphere. Okay, that'd be pretty thick. I don't think we could go through it. Okay, that's worth a Milky Way. Let's pump it down to just 90. Okay, let's just chill for a couple seconds. Pump it down to 90. That the atmosphere would look like that. I want to get rid of this really, really thick atmosphere, and I'm not sure exactly how. Relative velocity. What's this? Oh, something there. That's, I don't even know what that is. I don't know what any of these are. I'm not really that good with space, even though I watch documentaries all the time. Surface temperature's going down. Okay. I think it has to do something with the atmosphere. Show magnetosphere. No magnetosphere. Seriously, dude, everybody's gonna get cancer on this thing. Just pump that to 99. Just pump that to 7. Not sure how things work. Oh, it's hardly even tilted on its axis. That's cool. Now, okay, good. That was the effective temperature. I was blank for a couple seconds. Let's see, motion temperature, blah, 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 blah. I don't give a crap about you. How do we, oh yeah, I forgot. What? Where's the atmosphere thing that I closed a couple seconds ago? Okay, atmosphere. Display, there. Close. There are no ice caps. Let's do him a little favor. Pump that baby up to 9 watts. Nah, it refuses. Pump that baby to 0. Yeah, now it's an ice planet! Yay, okay. We don't need a magnetosphere anymore. Now, let's terraform the next planet. Earth. Welcome to Earth. Where it's always cold as crap. Wait! The temperature on Earth went down. Why is that happening? How big the ice caps are. Well, let's not, if you know what I mean, naturally warm up the planet. Oh crap, there's in the dude, look at, it's just, no, I drowned it in the snow. Even Mexico too. No, this is horrible. We need to save me. And it's not even inhabitable anymore. Seriously, bro. So cold. We need to slow down time. We need to save me. Okay, speed up just a little bit more. Seconds a second. Okay, like 10 seconds, 3 seconds a second. Okay. We need to warm up where I'm at. So, let's not shoot near me. Okay. Let's find a country that. Let's find a country that I could throw rocks at and stuff, and not a lot of people live on, or something that I could just throw meteors at. I have an idea. You guys will find out the country. Slow it down here. Hey, buddy. I don't know where I'm going, North Korea. I just really had to. Oh no, not South Korea. I always wanted to go there. Now, it's heating up, but I just destroyed Japan too. Okay. Before we kill everybody else, let's shoot here. Random small moon. Yeah, that won't hurt the planet at all. mean, it'll just decapitate Antarctica. Okay. Okay, the planet just got really hot there. Now, what else? Okay, so we just destroyed Antarctica. Random exoplanet. Shoot that. Oh, okay. Mr. Hats, nice hat, Mr. Hat. Sorry about that, sir. Oh, that'd be so scary. Okay, at night, you look up in the sky, you just see this enormous thing that's coming straight for you. You know, there's only one thing that could save the day. If Albert just walks in and just be like, what shall we do? We can't just delete it, it'll break everything. Huh, what should we do? We should make the mass. Oh, that's bigger than Jupiter. We should make it 1 milligram. Now look at it. Oh, you're like less than a milligram, huh? And you're like bigger than Earth, bro, right now. It's actually really scary. Okay. If it's still that big, okay. It's 1,000 degrees and it's less than a milligram. It's like a fraction of a milligram. So basically I'd stand on my 60 degrees Celsius average thing, and then you just look up in the sky. You see this big blistering hot. I don't know if this will destroy the planet or not. You look up in the sky, you see this big thing. Hold on, let's speed up time, see if anything happens to Earth. You're just chilling on the North Pole. This thing starts coming after you. What does it do? Doesn't even impact the Earth at like a certain... Oh, it just passes right by, just like Wait. No! No, it just took our place. Now we're flying. Now we go like a different route from the sun. What? So something enormous, like if this was something enormous, and it was less than a milligram, could still knock us out of orbit. Dude. It's scary. You know what? There's one more planet we need to terraform before we destroy this solar system. Mars. It's easy. 15. Albedo all the way up. Materials. Add some water. Make it not nice cap. Add some more water. Add some more organics. Add some hydrogen. Where's the magnetosphere? Alright, it doesn't have one. Dynamic. Blah, blah, blah. Where's the magnetosphere? I wanna know. We need to make a magnetosphere for this little boy. He's so chill. He's just like, you know, dying radiation poisoning or something. Show magnetosphere. That's right, there is none. 99, baby. Let's turn that buddy up to 9. Axis. There, it should be terraformable now. Wait, what did I just do? Crap, I just left it! No! You come back! Let's speed time up like really, really fast. Months a second. Hours a second. I think that's months a second. Okay, that's a little bit too fast. twitching. It's just like I'm done with you. Okay. So we just terraformed all the terraformable planets. Pluto's not a planet, it's a little piece of crap. I did say I was gonna make a planet in the middle, but I think our solar system's so messed up that this can't anymore. Let's add some water to this baby. Turn this down to like what, 99. Whoa, okay, evaporation please. We are officially making what's okay, that's actually kind of weird. That's unexplainable. Now, Albert, you said you were going to destroy the universe, right? I mean, the solar system. How are you going to do that? Well, I'm going to make the sun made of water. What's going to be even better, we're going to find the sun. We're going to launch itself at it. So just watch the universe. This is going minutes a second. Let's make this real time. So this is as close as real time as I could find. This is almost 1 second a second, and you just look like Earth. Imagine being on Earth, just chilling on that homie. It's a really, really light, warm Earth. Probably the worst place to stand right now. You look up into the beautiful night sky, or the day sky, and you just see two suns. Terrifying as crap. I'll speed time up a little bit. That'd be terrifying, dude. You just look at the sky, you just see two suns just coming straight for you. Not straight for you, I mean like colliding into each other. Now, where is the sun? I just had it. Look, Mr. Hats is up there trying to be a rebel and everything. Okay, let's just watch this projection. Let's just... Oh, okay. Hello, Mr. Supernova. Okay, let's see how big this... Wow, okay. Now, it's going to reach the edge of our solar system. All these things are... the things nobody cares about. Yeah, that is... Well... That's minutes a second, so in the matter of a couple minutes, I gotta expand faster. Okay. Let's speed that baby up a bit. Man. Well, that would suck. So, I guess terraforming a lot of planets, just imagine being on Earth. Mr. 15 degrees Celsius with some water. Chilling on the normal Earth, and you look into this, like, you wake up, you look into the sky, and you just see nothing but supernova dust. I guess you could live off the light off the supernova for about 5 seconds before you die. Because you're going away from the sun. And look how big this thing is. This is... Look. Remember when it was just about to move that? Now it's there. That's the size of the sun. Just imagine the biggest star in the solar system. Let's add... Let's add, before this video ends... This biggest star that I know of is it's Canis Majoris. I think that's what it's called. Let me find Canis Majoris, or it's Betelgeuse. It's Betelgeuse or Canis Majoris. Search, buddy. Come on, search. Did I just do something? No, I just paused it. Thought I did something to my recording. Galaxies. Now that's our solar system. I want to add... Okay. So if we just add a galaxy, and that's a black hole, okay. I don't know what I just did. Well, we ruined everything. Yeah, I'll try to do a Minecraft video today. Actually, I'm feeling some Minecraft today. See you guys in the next episode. I hope you all have a great day. Have a good night. See you guys in the next one. And you guys are awesome. See ya.